Well, how about it, folks? Mr. Just Right One is damn sure checking back in with you guys today. I hope each and every single one of you out there had yourselves a very, very, very good Thanksgiving and a safe Black Friday out there shopping, getting all them deals. I know online vape deals have been crazy. Brick and mortar vape deals have been crazy. Just all around crazy, crazy Black Friday deals out there. I hope each and every single one of you had a safe one. And we'll get a couple things out of the way. First and foremost, this is the announcement video for the second Just Right Christmas. That's right, we're kicking it off tonight. And tonight I am honored and pleased and ever humbled and thankful to announce the second Just Right Christmas. It brings me great pleasure to do so. I mean that. For those of you that were here last year, we were at what, 550 subscribers when we kicked this off last year? Right at Christmas, I think we had a little over 1,000 subscribers, so we picked up 500. But we gave back, I want to say it was like over $1,000 a piece in each value box that we sent out, Just Right prize pack. And for those of you that are newly subscribed and don't know what the Just Right Christmas is, it's not just done on me. Yes, I reach out to a lot of companies, send them out the video, let them know, look, we're doing a Just Right Christmas. We'd love to have you on board. But it's also participation on your end of the game. And what I do is I do a participation prize, and it's like whoever, you know, I see is really reaching out there to these companies and putting in their work, you know, I just collectively find everybody, put them in, and say, all right, I've seen this guy do this guy's tagging, this guy's sharing, this guy's sharing. And we have a participation prize as well, which is a nice prize. And I've been real skeptical if I want to announce it now or if I want to wait a little bit. And I think I'm going to wait a little bit on announcing the participation prize. But I would like to kick off and say thank you to Plan B Supply Company and TVL for backing this year's Just Right Christmas and kicking it off out of the gate with the collab box that they donated. You remember the brass or black one? I asked you guys back in that review which one you'd like to have. So they donated the collab box, and not only did they donate the collab box, they also donated for the 30 mil RDAs and the matching 24 to go with the brass blast. I wonder if that's Data Vape Television blast. Yeah, see, blast is on my mind heavy right now. Brass or black 24 matching dock RDA to go with the collab box. So we're going to be kicking that one off. That one's already in the prize pack. Thank you, Plan B, for supporting me and believing in me, man. I greatly appreciate that. Marlo, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so, so much. But the Just Right Christmas, for those of you that are just coming back this time, is my impact statement last year to understand and know that as a consumer, at Christmas, the holiday season, it takes a lot of draw on our pocketbooks. I understand that. You know, if you're of legal vaping age and wherever you're from, typically you're expected from somebody, a co-worker, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, somebody somewhere is expecting something from you for the holidays. On top of your mortgage, electric, gas, water, food, groceries, the whole 9 yards, just day-to-day life expenses. I understand that. And I know these companies understand that too. So what we do is we reach out to every company we can, not just myself, but you as well. Share this video with them and let them know that, look, this Christmas, we want to get the second annual Just Right Christmas to be bigger and better than it was last year. It was phenomenal last year, so the bar has been set really, really high. Last year, I don't know, everybody got over 1,000 mils of juice, 1,500 mils of juice. Everybody got mods. Everybody got RDAs, wire, wick, coils, tough wicks donated last year. A lot of cotton. Who else did we have? Jam Monster, Ice Monster, they contributed last year. Custard Shop, they were in it. Danish e-liquid came through in a major way last year with over 2,000 milliliters of juice donated. Also, we had Lizard Lounge Vapor. You know, she donated. Guys, even your small brick and mortar shops are eligible to donate to this in whichever which way they can. And any company who does donate, whatever they donate will get a video posted out. Sense, big shout out to Sense. Last year they also donated. You know, and I do reach out to a bunch of these companies, and I like to see the viewers, the subscribers out there, reach out to the companies in which they like. And let's see who really backs this, you know, who understands this community hardship right now and not just want to drain on our pocketbooks, but also maybe give back to some lucky people out there. It's a good thing for them because it's not about liking my video and tagging my video and sharing my video. No, it's not about that once those get out. It's about I direct the traffic back to their websites, to their respective social media sites per their request, whichever they decide or however they decide, and ensure and see the participation that the customers are going to their social media sites, you know, are being active with them, engaging with them. And it stays fresh on their mind with income tax time coming around for a lot of people. I'm not one that receives an income tax, but a lot of people out there do receive an income tax. And, you know, it's a good thing is to stay fresh on their mind when their finances come into play. You know, which companies they choose to spend their money with throughout the year. You know, remember who donated to Justright Christmas. Victory e-liquids last year came through in a major way. Paul over there. Rounds e-liquid, Ivan Lee, came through in a major way last year as well. Guys, the list goes on and on. There's numerous companies that donated last year, and I want to see those same companies step up to the plate, do it again this year, but I'd like to see some new companies come into play as well. Wotofo donated last year. There's just numerous people, and I know Wotofo is behind it again this year. I know Plan B, salute, respect. They've jumped behind it in a major way this year. I'm going to be reaching out to Dinesh, see if they want to get on board. Tasia came through in a major way last year. Dude, there's just a lot of people in this industry truly understand what I was trying to get at and made the first Justright Christmas a huge success. I would love to see the second one be bigger than the first. And how well it turns out and how good it does not only determines on how I do, not necessarily determines how I do, but it's dependent of my labor. Like, how hard do I reach out to these companies and how hard do you reach out to these companies? Guys, it's going to be a phenomenal thing. I already have a back stockpile of stuff coming in already. We try to get these sent out a little before or right after Christmas, depending on the holiday traffic and the amount of stuff that comes in. Because last year, like the day I was packing up stuff, I had product landing that I still had to shoot video for and get it packed up. So it delayed the shipping a little bit. But we had 4 ever grateful winners last year. One all the way in Australia. This competition will, or I ain't gonna say a competition. This give back will be open for international. If you are an international winner at the end of this, when all this is collected and divided up evenly, if you're international, I would ask that you split the shipping with me, break that in half with me, because $200 and some odd to ship something to Australia is astronomically high. I'm ever grateful and thankful I was in a position to do so. I'll do it again in a heartbeat. But if you're international, we're going to split the shipping. If you're domestic US, that's on me. That's no problem. I'll take care of the shipping for you. Last year we had 4 gigantic wardrobe boxes, what they call it, that we sent out, and it was incredible. I'm ever grateful and thankful that we were able to do so. I want to see this year do the same. I want to see it do better. And again, just want to thank you guys for a wonderful year this far, man. Last year when this kicked off, we had 550 some odd subscribers. Now we're over 4,500 subscribers. That is absolutely amazing to me. I'm baffled by those numbers. And I know some people may say, oh, well, that's 4,500 people. That ain't very much. That's 4,500 people that give a damn. That means more to me than 100,000 that don't give 2 flips. Guys, Mr.JustRight 1, just want to thank you guys again. Let's get this Justright Christmas kicked off. And in order to do this, very first thing out the gate, 1, go share this video with every company that you can. Send it to them in their messengers, blow them up, leave the hashtag on their thing. Look, back Justright Christmas 2, whatever it can be. But let's go give thanks to Plan B and TVL. I want to see both their Facebook and Instagrams. Their links will be posted below. Blown up. I want to see you guys go out there and thank them for what they've done and supporting and believing in the up-and-comer, the new guy to the scene. I am ever thankful for that. I personally am thankful. I hope you are as well. Let's go blow them up. Let them know we are greatly appreciated. Thank you for backing and kicking off the Justright Christmas, the 2nd annual Justright Christmas. I'm going to say it like I've always said it because I want you to understand that I mean what I say whenever I say it. If at any given point in time you've ever felt like you are not a somebody, I want you to know that you are a somebody in somebody's eyes, and that somebody is me. I absolutely love each and every one of you. Mr. JustRight 1 checking in and checking out at the same damn time.